Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you know, several road construction and rehabilitation projects are ongoing in and around Umuahia, including the one you're seeing right now on your screen, which is the construction of the UMUOKPARA ring road. You know, these are part of a broader urban renewal initiative by the Abia state government to transform Umuahia into a modern city. The project involves the reconstruction of the 6.92-kilometer road in Umuahia South local government area. The Executive Governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti, has pledged to complete this road before the 2027 election. This road was flagged off on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2024 at the Umuahia Community Square in Umuahia South local government area. This same road was flagged off a couple of years and nothing was still done. But this administration is making sure that the road, is going to be fixed. As you can see, the work has already started. This road is no longer going to be politicized. It's no longer going to be used by politicians for campaign, according to the governor, the able governor of Abia State. Politicians now have to look for other things to fix when they are doing their campaign in UMUOKPARA. The UMUOKPARA ring road will not just facilitate the vision for the new Umuahia through the creation of additional access points to the center of the town, but will also create new corridors for investment in real estate. So one of the benefits of this road now is that farmers in UMUOKPARA in this area can now be able to have a very good road where they can at least drive through to take their crops, to the market. Now, people that are into real estate, not just people that are into real estate, some people from this village, from this area, can also say, okay, since now road done dey, make I come back, make I come erect one or two buildings, maybe say, you understand, people will not be able to build, having in mind that, okay, there's good road now here, so let's just go and build. People can just come and develop this place. This road is going to bring a lot of development to UMUOKPARA and Umuahia in general, not just about real estate. Now, people can decide, okay, we don't want to pass through this road, let's pass through the other road. It's going to decongest maybe a particular road or something like that. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. As you can see, the construction of the drainage is already in place. They are already constructing the drainage, taking it down like very long. This is 6.92-kilometer road that will be delivered before 2027.